Hi guys, mabuhay! Ayan, after natin mag-almusal, gagala na agad tayo dito sa ating Bohol trip with Dada and college friends. Samahan ninyo ako. Tara!
Pinaapog ko pa man.
After natin mag-breakfast, ito yung una nating madadaanan, yung The Blood Compact Monument. Isa itong artwork na ginawa to honor the first international treaty between Pilipinas and Espanya dito sa Tagbilaran. Next stop natin ang Baclayon Church. It was founded by the Jesuit priests Juan de Torres and Gabriel Sanchez in 1596 and became the oldest Christian settlement in Bohol. Ayan, La Purísima Concepcion de la Virgen Maria Parish Church, o commonly known as Baclayon Church, is a Roman Catholic church in the municipality of Baclayon, Bohol, Philippines. Ayan, so papasukin natin siya mula dito sa labas. Ayan, makikita natin kung gaano na siya katanda. At talaga naman pagpasok mo pa lang, medyo may mararamdaman ka ng kilabot dahil sa ramdam na ramdam mo yung lamig sa loob kahit na hindi siya naka-aircon. Ayan, kahit na ganito siya kaluma, sa loob niya ay talagang presko yung pakiramdam na something creepy dahil nga sobrang luma na niya. Pero gayong paman, grabe yung mga structures, relics, and yung mga paintings na mga nandito. Grabe guys, sobrang nakaka-amaze sa lalaki ng mga life-size na mga, ayan, mga santo. Ayan, mga nakatabi siya, talagang maingat na nakasalansan, nakalagay dyan, naka-display, and medyo nakakakilabot na nakakaewan. Basta grabe yung mararamdaman nyo kapag nandito kayo guys. So dito rin matatagpuan sa altar yung balon na pinagkukunan nila ng tubig. At yung tubig daw na yon ay nakakapagpagaling. Ayan, pero dahil nga sobrang dami yung pumipila sa balon, ang ginawa nila ay nilagyan nila ng lock. Ayan, sinarado nila yung balon, tapos kumukuha na lang yung mga namamahala dito sa church, then nilalagay nila sa bote at binebenta nila. So meron sila ditong mini store. Ayan, sa likod ng church, ando dun yung office nila and yung store kung saan pwede kayong bumili ng mga holy water na sinasabi nila, pinaniniwalaan nila na talagang nakakapagpagaling. Ayan, so ganito kaganda yung ceiling. Ayan, yung painting sa ceiling nila and yung mga structures. Ayan, syempre hindi magpapalagpas yung ating picture taking. Grabe sa ganda guys. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. Ayan, sobrang inalagaan nila na preserve nila yung ganito kagandang at kaluma na simbahan dito sa Bohol. Next destination natin ay ang ATV Adventure Tour located at Carmen, Bohol. Ayan guys, so tinuturuan kami kung paano i-operate itong ATV o all-terrain vehicle na kung saan first time namin na sumakay at ma-experience itong napakaputik na daan. Ayan, isang oras to guys sa halagang 1,100 pesos. Ayan, ma-experience mo na kung paanong mag-drive ng ATV at magpaikot-ikot dito sa magandang lugar ng Bohol. Ayan guys, so sobrang nakaka-enjoy, nakakapagod, and nakakapagpaitim sa sikat ng araw dahil sobrang init ng araw na to. Ayan guys, sobrang enjoy kami kahit na sobrang may jet lag pa. Ayan, kahit na medyo yung araw na to ay kararating lang namin, first day namin dito sa Bohol, pero ito kagad yung in-experience namin dito na sobrang saya, sobrang enjoy, and ang nakakatuwa dito, yung aming tour guide, napakagaling kumuha ng picture, ng video. Ayan, credit sa kanya yung mga videos namin dito.
Sir, ikot. Okay na? One more, one more.
palalagpasin ang magandang place na to na hindi tayo magpapa-pictorial. Ayan, sobrang ganda ng views and sobrang galing kumuha ng picture ni Kuya dito, guys. Ayan, tingnan ninyo. From simple pose to jump shot. Grabe, guys. And syempre, yung mga kuha niyang nakakabilib. Kapag pumunta kayo dito sa Bohol, huwag niyong palalagpasin itong ATV rides. Ayan, grabe, guys. So, ito muna. See you soon.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid when